Exactly.
Okay, I'm making this kind of as an explainer video for a few people that were concerned that we were painting woodwork. We're not painting woodwork. I want to explain this. That what we're doing is we come in and we scuff the surface that was on the woodwork so we didn't cut into it. So the wood's still preserved underneath. Then we use the primer that's designed to sit on top of that and not soak in. And then the paint that we use will be sitting on the primer. I'm going to show you a video of a cabinet at my home that's 100 years old that had oil-based lacquer paint and primer on it. And we were able to take all of that off without touching the wood. The same thing here. So it's preserving it. Now,
hi everybody. Just wanted to give everyone a little bit of an update on what we have going on here. So as everybody knows, we had carpet everywhere. It was just thousands of square feet of carpet. We had some extremely damaged woodwork that was in really rough shape. So what we did was, instead of painting the woodwork, what we did was we roughed up the stain on the original woodwork and put a very special primer over that, so that way the wood can be brought right back to life. This paint is in no way permanent. So we thought we'd do that as opposed to spending the thousands of dollars it would take to restore original chestnut. So as you can see, we've come quite a long way. We've got the door. We have the door being painted right here. This is not stained glass. This is painter's tape, but yeah, so that's what's going on in here. This is we've got some salon stations going in right here, and this is reception. And then salon room 2, we have a similar amount of progress going on in here. So it's coming together really nicely. We're really excited.